Lauki Kofta Curry or bottle gourd kofta curry is a delicious dish where soft golden dumplings made from grated bottle gourd or lauki are deep fried to perfection and simmered in a rich aromatic gravy, soaking up all the warm spices and velvety texture of the curry. Paired with soft rotis, flaky parathas, or fragrant basmati rice, this dish is pure indulgence. If you have never been a fan of bottle gourd, this recipe will completely change your mind. Now let's make the star of this dish, the soft, flavorful koftas. Take one bottle gourd or lauki, peel it, trim the ends, and cut it into 2-3 pieces. Grate it using a box grater or a food processor. Squeeze out the excess water, but don't discard it, we'll use it later in the curry for extra flavor. In a mixing bowl, add the grated lauki along with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garam masala powder, and 1 tablespoon crushed kasuri methi. Then add half a cup of besan or gram flour little by little, mixing well until it forms a soft dough. Now add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped green chilies and 1 teaspoon chopped ginger garlic or ginger garlic paste for extra flavor. Mix until well combined. Wet your palms and shape the mixture into small 1-inch balls. These will turn into crispy golden koftas. Heat oil in a broad pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully drop the koftas into the oil and deep fry until golden brown. Drain them on a plate lined with paper towels. Now let's prep everything so the cooking becomes effortless. Take 4 to 5 small green chilies and finally chop them in a blender. Transfer to a bowl. Next, blend 1.5 inches of peeled ginger and 4-5 garlic cloves into a coarse paste and set aside. Now blend 2 medium-sized peeled and diced onions into a smooth paste. And keep it in a separate bowl. Finally, blend 2 medium-sized diced tomatoes into a puree. Once done, set it aside. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's make the rich, flavorful curry that brings everything together. In a pan, heat 3 tablespoons of oil, add 1 bay leaf, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom pods, 4 to 5 black peppercorns, and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Let them splatter and release their aroma. Then add the onion paste we made earlier and saute until golden brown. Next, add finely chopped green chilies and crushed ginger garlic. Saute for a minute. Then add 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour. Roast this for about 3 to 4 minutes to remove the raw taste. Now add the spice powders, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and 2 teaspoons coriander powder. Mix well and cook for 2-3 minutes. Then pour in the reserved Lauki juice for extra flavor and cook for another 2 minutes. Add the tomato puree and cook for 5-6 minutes until the oil separates. Now lower the heat and mix in 4 tablespoons of room temperature yogurt. Stir constantly so it blends smoothly without curdling. Season with salt to taste. Then add 2 cups of water depending on how thick you want the curry. Let it come to a gentle boil. Now crush 1 teaspoon kasuri methi between your palms and add it for an extra layer of flavor. Stir in half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the spices. Adding sugar is optional. Finally, add the fried koftas to the curry, mix gently and cover the pan. Let them simmer for 2-3 minutes, soaking up all the rich flavors. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves and a sprinkle of garam masala. Mix well and cook for 1 minute. Your Lauki kofta is ready, rich, comforting, and packed with flavor. Each bite melts in your mouth, offering a perfect balance of richness and comfort. Serve it hot with roti, naan, or basmati rice. Every bite is soft, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. Try it once and you'll want to make it again and again. Happy cooking! See you next time!